Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. I know Cancerians have been are going through some tough time in their emotional life because of the Mercury retrograde, which has impacted them a lot. But never mind. I mean, just few more days. I think till July 11th, and you will be out of it. Uh, till then, we'll go through this reading. Let's see what the card has for you for the month of July. This is first card is Ace of Cups. That's such a lovely card. Okay, it talks about new beginnings of your choice. That again sounds great, isn't it? So it's something that you wanted to do. You aspired something, and you want to get into some business of your choice. You always wanted to have, being a teacher or getting into some this, doing some project or of your type of your likeness. Okay, so these sort of things are is what this month is bringing to you. So it's a kind of opportunity that you will get to explore what you want to do, to opportunity to improve your finances also with the things with the sources. If you always wanted to get into business, so then here is the time for you to start with this. Okay, start with this new career, new business, new ventures that you want to do. Actually more importance in the uh, I'm sorry. So I am stressing on of your likeness. So this card talks about more things of your likeness. It's not simply getting new things into your life, but things that you want to do. So it's a beginning of things that you want to do. You want to be a teacher, you wanted to get into this profession, you are seeking a job with a particular company, change of job, with some particular perspective that you have, so you will be able to move forward in that direction. Then coming to the second card, I'm sorry, Cancerians. So the second card is the Devil. Okay, now it's not exactly a devil, right? But the card says that you are going through, or you have picked up some bad habits that is keeping you binded with the present situation. So you need to understand what sort of bad habits, or you are under an impression of something which is not allowing you to move forward. So you need to overcome this if you want to have if you are gaining for more clarity, or if you want to achieve things in life. Okay, bad habits can be anything. Again, it can be, alcoholism, or it can be some other thing as well. uh, so watching TV for a long time again can be a bad habit. If it is impacting your career, if it is impacting your personal life, then this is what you need to forego. So this card is comes as a warning. uh, it comes as a warning that this is the time, so mend your ways, and then good things will happen. Okay, then you will see, then only you will be able to move forward in your life. Okay, so this card comes as a warning to you, Cancerians. So try to understand this. Or it can be a person acting in your situation, in your present life, who is not allowing you to move forward, or who is always creating some sort of trouble in your life. So here is a warning to you, that to analyze things and understand what is important for you. Of course, so your self respect is also important, right? So you have to understand, uh, gaining that regaining your self respect is also important, so try to work on that as well. And then comes with the third card is Seven of Cups. Okay, so Seven of Cups actually gives you lot many opportunities. It talks much. Seven of Cups brings you lot many opportunities which are in the air. You may find that, yeah, this is good. This is also good. Wow, what so many wonderful things are happening with me this month, or this time I have got I'm going to get something that I am looking for, or something of this thing and that thing and all. So or you file contentment, you feel that yeah, you are happy. But in real life it is not like that. If you should be able to assess what is real and what is not real, in the sense what is myth and what is real for you. So there will be a situation this month where you will be dealing with these sort of complexities. Okay, so you need to ground yourself, you need to overcome that illusion, and understand what is not real. Because the life is going to serve you with the situations where you see, yeah, everything is very good, everything is so pleasant, so nice and all. But maybe this is not so. So try to assess the situation and then make a decision. Okay, because life, this time you're going to get some choices, you need to make some choices, some real choices which are important, some choices which are significant. But if you make the wrong choice, cancerian, again you will end up with that emotional backlog, you see, emotional drain again. So try to make decisions with keeping in mind the realistic perspective. Okay, and then we have this healing card for you. Archangel Gabriel. So here comes the Gabriel for you to support. So he is sending you the energy. Archangel Gabriel is known for communication, is actually comes to you to help you in communicating things that you want to say. If you want to put your expressions forward, then if you are not able to do so, then here Archangel Gabriel is giving you this, is giving you his energy. So make use of this energy and try to talk more about what you are looking forward. Like for example, if you want to grow in your business, then this is a card which says that yeah, start talking about your business, about your product, your services, and from different perspectives to different people. So the more you talk, the more you express yourself, the more you gain. Okay, so this is the energy that Archangel Gabriel is giving you this month. Uh, yeah, and then comes your final card, that is a message from the universe, Cancerians. Yeah, and let me read this for you again. I am the loving energy of the universe. Of course, you are. Yeah, so you are the loving energy of the universe, and when you affirm, when you carry this affirmation with yourself, you will definitely be one. Okay, so let's wind up with this, and I wish you good luck. We'll see you again in the coming month. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye.